Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to restore a deleted Wix website. This is wix.com, and first I will log in to my account. On this Wix account, I have multiple websites, one in the trash and two available or not in the trash. To restore my deleted website, go to trash. This is my deleted website. To restore it, just click on Site Actions and hit Restore Site. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Hit Restore Site. You're about to restore your site. Once restored, your site will remain unpublished until you publish it. So click on the Restore button. Click again on My Sites. Let's refresh this page. This is my restored website, and as we've already seen, it is unpublished now. So to publish it or to make it live, click on Select and Edit Site. Click again on this Edit Site button. Then hit this Publish button on this corner. Your site is published and live now. Let's view my website live. And this is how to restore a deleted website. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.